Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Wednesday, October the 16th, 2019. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. So we are looking at the chart of Nikkei here, Japanese index, 45 minutes chart. We can see right here, we got a bullish sequence stem. The right side tag is also green, suggesting that we do like more upside in the index, and we don't like, and therefore if there is a bullish sequence and the right side is green like this, we do not like selling any of the proposed pullback on the charts, and that's exactly what the box here is suggesting right here, that we do not like to trade against the direction of the right side tag. All right, so what do we see here is this pullback to 21,079 ended with 2, and then that means we are in the wave 3 right now, in the black degree here, and then obviously the wave 3 should subdivide into 5 waves, and we do have the 5 waves in which this wave 1 in the blue, this is wave 1 of 3, subdivides into a diagonal. Alright, subdivides into a leading diagonal. So we get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which should be ending with 1 of 3. Then from that point on, we should be getting a pullback, and we do not like selling this pullback, by the way. This pullback in the wave 2 should be correcting this entire 5 ways up. Okay, so we should get a larger risk pullback. Then after that pullback is complete, we should be looking for another leg higher in the Nikkei. So therefore, again, we do like more upside here, and we do think that any pullback when seen should find buyers in the sequence of 3 waves, right? And as far as this level is holding here, we should then get another leg to the upside. Now, looking at the larger degree, this is the daily chart here. Okay, and there is no, there is no labels on the larger degree, but we can take a look at it and figure out some of the key ideas from here. So if you take a look here, this is your wave 2 in the 21,079. So that's going to be this, let me see, that should be this 21,079 here. Right, so that means this is your wave 1 here. All right, now we can see right here, if you look at it from this low, which is August 26, right, and also looking from this low, December 26, 2018. Okay, so you got 2 lows here, and from the August 26, you got what looks like a 5 waves. You got a correction, and then you got a new high, right? Now this can be 1, 2, or it can be an AB, because this one is impulsive and this one also now looks impulsive. So again, it's either EBC or 1, 2, 3. Now obviously if it's 1, 2, 3, the 3 can be extended, because that's basically what the Elliott Wave theory says. Wave 3 is the strongest and the longest, and if using Fibonacci, usually can go to 1.618, 161.8% extension. But even if this is only an AB, okay, again the C leg in an ABC zigzag is going to be usually from the Fibonacci point of view, and the C is going to be equal to the A. So even in this kind of minimum target scenario, we can see we have not reached the equality here, so we can get to at least this area, 23,323, right? So that will be the next target, in which this leg is going to be equal to this leg, assuming this is just an ABC, right? If this is 1, 2, 3, we can go as high as 24,719, which is the 1.618 extension here, right? Now on top of that, not only that you have incomplete sequence from this August 26, you also have incomplete sequence from December 26th, and because we also broke above this high here, which is May 2nd, right? So it has already broken above this May 2nd here. So if you take a look at the December 26th, if this is the starting point of the rally, so it doesn't matter what you want to label this. You can label this as a 5 waves or whatever it is that you want to label, with 1, with A, or whatnot. You got a clear 3S pullback here. I think there is no question about that. This is a 3 waves. Then after that, you got a new high above this. So assuming this is just a simple ABC, again, a zigzag, so to speak, then that means you should be at least getting, C equal to A again. And again, that means we can see at least an extension higher to this 23,461, in which this leg is equal to this leg, right? And if this is some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then this can potentially go a lot higher, right? So the bulls are gaining control, right? The bulls are gaining control since last week, and we see that in several different instruments in our service. If you watch the chart of the DAX, chart of the day of the DAX yesterday, it's kind of also saying the same thing, right? So sometimes views can change, and adjustment is made. That is normal process of forecasting. And also for traders, we buy and sell, we make money and we lose money every time. It's always going to be winning and losing. It's never going to be winning all the time. It's all about execution. It's all about the risk management that will basically protect us, right? So in this case, basically what we see so far now is the idea that it looks like the bulls are in control right now, and therefore in the case of the Nikkei at least, we are looking for more upside here as far as the pullback stays above 21,079. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and also try our service 14 days for free. We do provide a lot of services, including the live session, live trading room, as well as the forecast update in 4 time frames in 72 different instruments. Okay, so see you guys again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.